You can click on Edit Course Material to enable editing mode in your course. This will enable you to add and edit course content. You can update section headings by clicking on a specific module name, replacing it with your preferred heading, and pressing Enter to save. You can also reorder course sections. To do this, simply drag and drop a course section into the correct position. In editing mode, you will be able to edit the settings pertaining to a course section. Edit module provides an alternative method of updating the section heading. This is also where you will be able to add restrictions to an entire section of course content. By adding restrictions, you can specify the conditions under which learners will be able to access the content in a section. You can learn more about this in the next video on adding restrictions. When you click on Save Changes, your updates will be applied to the course section. Additionally, you can choose to hide a module. This will prevent learners from seeing or accessing the course section. You can always update this at a later stage to show course sections that you have hidden. Finally, you can also delete an entire course section. To add content to a course section, you can click on Add Course Content to open the Content Picker. Here, you will be able to make a selection from the available content types. For a short description of each content type, you can click on the information icon for that content type. For your convenience, all assessment-based content types have been grouped together. You can also use the search function to easily find a specific content type. To make a selection, simply click on the icon and proceed to provide the required input. The videos in this onboarding course will cover each content type in detail. When you have set up your content, you can click on Save and Display to make it available in your course. Here, you will be able to edit the settings pertaining to that content type. You can click on Edit Settings to access the settings page, where you can make updates to the content itself. You can also change the way the content type is displayed on your course page by moving it left or right. Similar to course sections, you can choose to hide specific course resources or activities from learners, and you can then show hidden content again at a later stage. You can also use the duplicate function to easily copy and reuse content in your course. Finally, you can delete a course resource or activity. The dynamic interface also allows you to drag and drop course content into a specific position in your course. When you are happy with your changes, you can turn editing off. To see your course in view mode,